Hello everyone, I am Chase here at Rocky Mountain ATV MC coming at you with the complete gasket kit from Tusk. Alright everyone, so today we're taking a quick look at the complete gasket kit coming from Tusk. So these gasket kits are going to include all the gaskets, all the O-rings that you're going to need to completely rebuild the top and the bottom end of your motorcycle or your ATV. And what's awesome about these is they're made from high quality materials, they're just OEM replacements, and they're at an awesome price point coming from Tusk. Now some of the best advice that I can give when it comes to working on your motorcycle or your ATV is you just want to make sure that you have all the tools and all the parts that are going to be needed for that job. That way, from start to finish, you're going to get the job done quickly, you're going to be out having a good time in no time. Now also keep in mind that going along with the full gasket kit, okay, if you're doing a full engine rebuild, you're gonna want your engine oil seals as well. So you can pick up our Tusk engine seal kit that has all your oil seals for the engine and also the transmission. Now with these kits, one thing you do wanna keep in mind is they are machine specific. So when you're picking yours up, you wanna just make sure you enter the make, the model, and the year, and that's gonna make sure you have the right kit. And it's just an awesome way to take away that guesswork and you're gonna know, okay, I have all the parts that I'm gonna need for this job. If you guys have any questions about these, you can comment below, give us a call or chat live online. We'll get your questions answered. And here at Rocky Mountain, we pride ourselves on having really good how-to videos. We have a lot of specific jobs that we show you how to do step by step. We tell you the tool that you're gonna need along with all the parts that are needed for that job. So make sure, subscribe to us and watch those videos if you do have any questions. I'm Chase here at Rocky Mountain, and we'll see you on the trails.